Hi, and welcome to NittanyCow Tutorial 3, Importing and Using Lab Samples. This 3-minute tutorial will show you how to import and use analyses provided by your lab service for specific feeds in your rations. For more specific information on anything you see here, please consult the NittanyCow help file or visit our website www.nittanycow.com to contact customer support. Many dairy operations rely on lab analyses of specific feeds to formulate their rations. NittanyCow allows users to upload this information directly into their rations rather than entering in all the nutrient values by hand. To accomplish this, your lab will need to provide you with a text file output of your feed analyses. Note that not all labs will provide a compatible format for uploading analyses into NittanyCow. You will need to check with your lab to see if they can provide a usable format. Using lab data in NittanyCow is a two-step process. First, we will need to upload the data into NittanyCow, and then we will need to import the data into a working ration. We see here an existing ration, and I would like to use my lab's analysis for corn silage. First, go to Manage Feeds and select the Import Lab Sample option. From the Open window, be sure to select all files from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the window. Then find the appropriate text file containing your lab analysis. Once this file is selected, click Open. NittanyCow will now inform you that your import was successful. Now that we know the data has been uploaded into NittanyCow, it's time to use that data in a ration. Since I want to use the analysis for corn silage, I right-click on corn silage and select the Use Lab Sample option. In the Lab Samples window, it shows the current nutrient profile for this feed at the top and then a list of available lab samples below. If you don't see your analysis in the list, select All from the Client menu at the bottom of the window. Once I have found the lab analysis I wish to use, I put a check mark next to that feed and click OK. NittanyCow now returns to the ration. Notice that values that were provided by the lab analysis have now changed. For any nutrient fields for which the analysis did not provide data, NittanyCow will retain the default or previous values for that feed. The first time you use this function, it's a good idea to check the values in all the worksheets so you can be confident that the data is updating correctly. Once this is done, customize the feed name to distinguish it from standard feeds. The last step in the process is to save this feed to user feeds so that I can use my customized silage in other rations. As we saw in Tutorial 2, we simply right-click on the feed and select Copy to User Feeds. This feed, complete with the lab-adjusted nutrient profile, is now available for use in other rations. This concludes Tutorial 3. Please visit www.nittanycow.com to watch online tutorials of other important NittanyCow features.